Good afternoon and welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Jim Ergens. I'm the North American Director of Operations for AI Speech. We're here to show you one of our future products, the new MA600D beamforming microphone. This is a 64 microphone element product that can be either surface, ceiling, or wall mounted, or on a tripod, and can be daisy chained together using Dante. This microphone captures an area of roughly 25 by 25 in each of those configurations and can be looped together through some of the inputs on the back. And we'll flip this over and show this real quick. You can see our Dante inputs, our PO inputs, our mini Phoenix connections as well, along with our bolting patterns for wall mount, for tabletop mount, or a tripod mount. It can also be put in a trim ring as well. So this, again, brand new product, award-winning at ISE, and you can go and find more information on this product at www.meeting.aispeech.com. Thanks again and enjoy InfoComm 2026.